You are still suffering to get YouTube views, watch hours, or subscribers, but you don't have any problem with that. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you what you should do. Three things actually that you should do to help you to achieve this. And before we get into the video, my name is KP, and if this is the first time you are seeing me on your screen, I mostly talk about money making tips and also help people to grow their channel on YouTube. So if it's something that interests you, kindly click on the subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so that anytime I post a new content, you'll be the first to know about it. Now let's get right into now, the first thing I want us to look at is the video that you post. Now, when I say video, I don't mean the video itself, like the nature of the video you're posting. No, I want you to look at certain things about the video, like the title, the description, and all that, your hashtag, and all that. So, I'm just going to be taking you through a step by step process on how you should be able to do things the right way so that YouTube can help promote your videos for you to get views and then also automatically get the subscribers. You get me? So the first thing I want us to look at is your title, the title for the video. Now, there are ways that you can be able to achieve this. And first of all, when you are going to post a title, make sure that the title is SEO driven. It's very important because the YouTube is like a whole sea. You get me? So if you don't do things that will help you to come on top, you are always going to be seen at the bottom. You are never going to come on top because these big YouTubers are always doing things that is going to make sure that they come on top. They are always going to be seen. You get me? It's mostly not about the subscribers because trust me, somebody might just have a few subscribers, but then the kind of views the person will get can be compared to a big YouTuber. It's all about how you position yourself. You get me? So the first thing is the title. Now, there are two ways you can achieve this. You can either go and steal from other creators that are within your niche, okay, or you can go to ChatGPT. Now let's look at how you can steal from other creators. When you choose a niche, right? There are other creators that are also within that niche, big creators. Now, if their video goes viral, there's a reason why their video went viral. It means that they are doing something right. And they are always making sure that their videos, the thumbnails, everything is SEO driven. When I say SEO driven, it means that they put in keywords and things that make sure that anytime someone search for it, they are the ones who come on top. You get me? So you also have to follow that whole blueprint. Okay. I know some people think that, oh, YouTube is like other social media. It is not. You have to understand that YouTube is a whole school on its own. Okay. And it's not about you, it's about the person that is come to watch your content. So you just have to be strategic for you to be able to come on top. You get me? So when you take the title of this YouTuber, you have to also make sure that it is in line with what you are creating, the video you are creating. You can't just come and take a title about, let's say, how to make money online 2025 and then you go and start talking about fashion. No, it doesn't make sense. Even though that title is SEO driven, it will get you the views. But then the people who are coming to your page are not coming to watch fashion. You get me? They are coming to make money online. So you need to make sure that the title is also in line with the video that you are creating. So you can either steal from these big YouTubers or you can go to ChatGPT. Now, when you go to ChatGPT, okay, what people do wrongly is that when they get there, they just write whatever they write. Oh, give me a title about how to make money online. No, you don't have to do that. You have to guide it, ChatGPT. ChatGPT is your assistant for a reason. You have to give ChatGPT all the information that it needs so that it can be able to what generate a very good SEO title for you. So what I usually do is that I can either go to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT that this is the niche that I'm in. This is the video that I am creating. I'm creating a video about how to make money online 2025 or how to create a PayPal account 2025. Then I now tell ChatGPT that using your analytical tool, okay, and then the will search keywords about what I'm talking about, create an SEO driven title for me. So what I'm literally trying to do is that I'm sending ChatGPT to go and do all the work for me. You get me? So ChatGPT will be the one to go and surf the whole internet and find out what people are talking about what I'm coming to create. Then bring me a very good title that will do it. Send that message to the people. It's just as simple as that. You get me? So that is what you can use ChatGPT for. Or and then also want to look at your video description. You can use the same formula. Okay, you can either take from these big creators, like I said, they always make sure that they have keywords. It's always optimized. That is why they get the views that they get. So you can just take the same thing, implement it, or you can also go to ChatGPT and tell it the same thing. And ChatGPT will go all the way to even helping you to create the hashtags and everything. Okay, so AI is here to help us. So you just take advantage of it, and it's free. So I don't see why you will not be able to take advantage of it. So you tell ChatGPT to do all this for you, and then at the end of the day, you automatically get the views that you need. The second thing I want us to look at is video screens. Now, most people don't know the importance of video screens or even what video screens are used for. Video screens are the boxes with thumbnails that you see at the end of other people's videos. I don't know if you've noticed it, but that is what the video screens are, or the end screens. Okay. Now, it's very important because when it comes to YouTube, you need to make sure that you have audience retention. Audience retention means that, let's say I create a video about how to um, create a PayPal account. And then also I have a video about how to transfer money from your PayPal account into another account, your bank account or whatever. You should be able to make sure that these contents are linked. So when they are linked, what it does is that first of all, it helps you with your watch hours, okay, and your views, because when the person finish watching one video, and then at the end of the day, you say if you want to learn how to transfer your money from your PayPal account to your bank account or whatever, you put the end screen over there. The person says, "Oh, okay, this is something I also want to learn." Person clicks on it. At the end of the day, you are increasing your views because not only did you give the person information, but you also allow the person to watch two videos which are informative for the person. You get me? So at the end of the day, the person is going to get you more views. You understand? And then also, when the person sees that your content is valuable, what did you just do? You got a subscriber. You understand? So everything over here is connected. So you can't just leave certain things out. There's a reason. Trust me. There's a reason why YouTube put all these things in place. So you can't just say you're not going to use it or you're not going to find out what it's supposed to help you to do. You get me? So that's some of the importance of using the end screen. Now we also have something that we call a video card. Video cards are the short bars you see on top of your screens while some of the creators are talking. So let's say the person is talking about how to create a PayPal account again. Let's say the person is talking about a platform that helps you to make money online, but that platform pays in PayPal. And then whilst the person is talking, the person says that, oh, but if you don't have a PayPal account, you can, you know, click on this tab over here, and then it will send you to go and watch that video. What the person has done is that because the person can't keep creating the same content over and over again. I mean, obviously you get tired. You get me. You also make your video lengthy, so the person will just link you to what you might need. So that is what putting the tab over there. Say that if you want to create a PayPal account, click on this tab over here, and it will send you to that video. The same thing for the end screen. You can see that it is sending the person to another content of yours. You get what I'm trying to say? Now with the end screens like this, we have different types. We have some that uh, help you to also put your playlist out there. Your playlist means that if your playlist is very valuable, okay, and very informative, before you realize, one person, just one subscriber, can be able to watch an entire playlist. And that is very good for you. You get me? Because it not only does it give you the views, it's very important because the person or the subscriber watch the video to the end, which is very, very important. So, guys, these are some of the ways that you can help yourself and make sure that your content is always being found on the feed. Okay. Take advantage of the YouTube apps that have been put there, like the end screens and the video cards and all that, and also take advantage of ChatGPT. Okay, ChatGPT is here to help us. So if you put all these things in place, trust me, and you are being very consistent, your videos will blow up. You start getting the engagement that you need. Now, if you've still watched it to this part of the video, you have not subscribed, kindly please do so, okay? And then, like I said, you turn on your post notifications so that every time I post a new content, you'll be the first to know about it. You can also like the video and comment. If you have any concerns, you can put it in the comment section and I'll do what to respond to you. You can also connect with other small YouTubers that are coming up in the comment section. See you in the next video.